So the next line, you're playing an A minor with the right hand and an A with your left. So this line is a lot like the last line. So you have the right hand, A, C, E, and the left hand, an A. So you're going to play those two together, and then a right hand chord, and then a left hand bass. And then you're going to move your thumb on the right hand down to grab this G. So now you're playing a C chord like this: G, C, E, 1, 3, and 5. And then your 2 is going to grab the C with your left hand. So that sounds the same as the last chord. Rhythm-wise, it sounds the same. Then you're moving on to a D, where you're sliding that chord you had from the C to A, D, F. So you're moving that whole chord up one white key. So 1 on A, 2, 3 on D, 5 on F, and your left hand thumb is hitting a D. So you're going to go together, and then a right, and then another right, and then left, right, left. So that whole measure sounds like this. So if we back up to the beginning of that line, this is what we have. And then we're moving on to a G chord, just like the last line, but this G chord is going to last for that whole measure. So we have G, B, D, 1, 3, and 5 on the right hand, and then the left hand 5 is going to hit G. And then you're playing together, right, left, together, right, left. And that sounds like this. So back to the beginning, we have an A minor, C, and then a D minor, and then a G, and it sounds like this. Just like on the last line, we're moving to a C chord again. So we have the 2 finger hits the C with the left hand, and then the right hand is G, C, and E for a C chord. And you have together, right, left, and then you're going to keep that C chord, but your left hand bass is going to change to a B. And that's together, right, left. So that whole measure sounds like this. If we go back to the beginning of the line, this is what it sounds like all together.